Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. I've just been watching Eric Crown's live stream today. He did mention that he's now got this kind of thing here. It's called My Ultimate TA and Trading System Beginner Program in 2026. Secure yours now, and the URL is there. It's completely free, and I did one of these before, and it really got me into the whole sort of like 9, 12, 21, 55 EMA kind of thing, and it just made me understand trading a lot better. So I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to let you know how it goes, but it's completely free, so go and check out Eric's live stream. I'll link to it in the top corner now, because I can pretty much guarantee that I'll probably use whatever I learned from this in future trades, and I'll probably talk about it on live streams as well, because that's what happened before. Okay, so let's start on the first one. Okay, so I've just completed the trend module. Yeah, pretty good. It's an area that I'm pretty au fait with, but nevertheless, it was good to have a bit of a refresher, if you like. So there's a little quiz here, things like, what defines an uptrend, which will be higher highs and higher lows. Anyway, I won't give all the answers away. I'll just take this quiz and let you know how I get on. 16 questions. Okay, well, I didn't do particularly well there. I got 13 out of 16, so not amazing, but I shall probably retake that at some point. But yeah, let's move on. This is about support and resistance and trading zones. Okay, so this module was a bit more involved, actually, and it was like one long, about a 25-minute video. I must admit I wasn't completely paying full attention throughout it, but let's take the quiz anyway and see how I get on. Okay, well, I actually got 10 out of 10 in the support and resistance quiz. I'd probably say, by the way, if you don't get 10 out of 10 in this quiz here, then you probably need to watch the video again until you do, because there are some really important concepts in there. Anyway, so the next one is about moving averages, which is one of my favourite subjects. Okay, so that was a really good video to watch, that one was. It's no coincidence, by the way, that Eric Crown uses the green 55 EMA, the yellow 21 EMA, the cyan 9 EMA, and even the red 5 EMA. It was Eric Crown that I got the idea from originally to use the EMAs. And then what happened is when we developed Quadzilla, maff incorporated those EMAs into Quadzilla, and lots of really good things happened after that when we combined that with the momentum oscillator as well. And if you're not familiar with Quadzilla, just go to savewith.crypto.org/QZ. Anyway, so let's try this quiz here. 15 questions. Let's see how I do. And I have to say, rather embarrassingly, I did get one wrong there. Just for the record, this was the question I got wrong, actually. Now I'm looking at it again, it's really obvious. So what do you think? When did moving averages confirm downtrend? Was it 1, 2 or 3? Let me know in the comments down below. And there you go, second time round I got 15 out of 15, which is a score I should have got because I've been living and breathing these moving averages for the last couple of years now. Okay, let's move on. Relative Strength Index. Okay, so to be honest, that one was the trickiest one so far for me. The RSI isn't particularly an indicator I've ever used much. We tend to use the stochastics more over at Save with Crypto, so I was slightly unfamiliar with it. I was also getting a bit tired when I was watching this as well, so there were bits where I kind of zoned out a little bit. But overall, it was it was stuff that I kind of thought I understood. But let's give the quiz a go anyway. Okay, so 13 questions. Let's see how I do. Okay, well, unfortunately, in this one, I only got 10 right out of the 13, so that's my worst one so far. I think what I need to do is to sleep for the night and then watch this video again in the morning, because there's something I'm not quite getting about the way Eric talks about the bullish and bearish hidden divergences with the RSI and the price movement. So yeah, that's something I've got to work on. Now, the rest of the modules look really good fun. Definitely some stuff that I think I'm going to enjoy a lot. So I do want to get this RSI one nailed and in the bag. But yeah, whether you're a beginner or intermediate, or even if you're fairly pro and, you just want to brush up on a few things, I think this course is well worth doing. For free, why not? I'm going to do it because the more I learn about everything, the better. So that's what I'm doing. If you like the sound of that, then please do give the video a like and make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set on all. I'll see you later on for the live stream. And above all, tell your friends.
Save with Crypto has to be one of the best YouTube channels that the United States has ever seen. Kamala Harris is not a subscriber, but I am. I have notifications set to all as well. I'd strongly suggest you subscribe to Save with Crypto today. Above all, you should tell your friends.
Save with Crypto is not a financial advisor. He just makes ice cream on the internet. If you cannot find someone to do your own research, you must do it yourself, just like I did not.